In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, I want to create a database in SQL Server, a database management system, and I want to show that how do we create a relationship between two tables in SQL plus database management system. First of all, we should open this program, the SQL. You can open it from any way, from inside the store menu or start bar, or using a run command also is available there. Then I'm using some codes to create a database. First we need a database, and then we are needed to create some tables. After that we are using some codes to create a relationship between two tables. Okay, first of all we are creating a create database as the name of Afghan. Then we are needed to create two tables for this database, and after that we are creating a relationship between two tables. Then we should select the Afghan database. Right now we are using Afghan database only, this one. The database has been changed. In this case we are creating a table. Create table as the name of department number. It's your favorite things. That's we are creating our favorite name table, and you are also free to use your favorite table. And then we are using some another course also in department table. We are needy for department name, department number, sorry, and the department number value should be 5, and we are using int. In some SQL servers we are using number as the instead of int value 4, value 5, and then we are using number only. But here in this SQL system we are using int 5. Int is integer and 5 is the value of department number that we are giving capacity for it. Primary the department number should have a primary key. Then comma is for this that we are using some another columns also, and we are adding in this table. The name varchar should be your favorite number, any number you want, but here the value that I'm adding, that's 12. And after the name we have location also. Location we are writing small LOC only. This should be also varchar 12 also, and we are not using comma here. We are entering only and closing this one as a semicolon. Now the database, the table as the name of department has been created with its columns as the name of department number, name, and location. Right now for creating a database or tables relationship, we are needed to have 2 or more than 2 tables. In single table we are not able to use relationship. Now we are creating another table. Create table imp. We are using the second table. Our second table is employee. Then start the table for adding some columns inside of employee. Then employee, no, we need what we need here. We need employee number first, that the value should be integer 5. Okay, 5. And then primary key, it should be primary key. Then comma is that ICD at last, that we are adding some another columns also. And here we use a name, I mean employee name, and it should be varchar because it's characters. Varchar should be 12 also, comma, After any what we need more, we need a job. Job should be varchar. Also varchar should be 12, and then comma, and the last one will be the department number. The department number is the column in which we are using a relationship between employee table and department table. We are using here the relationships. Be careful. Then department number, the integer or the value should be 5. Then we are adding comma. Then references. Dipped. Here we are creating Dino. It means we are creating in the relationship in reference dipped and starting from Dino, and we are ending with this one, and then click enter, then close your data table implied, and enter. Now the relationship between two tables, the table which is naming by employee and the another table which is naming by department number, between two department number in two different tables, the relationships has been created, and this was the technique